everyone. I can't believe this is finally happening.
Yes.
Um, I remember as a little girl growing up, my mother would use L'Oreal products, and I think it's every little girl's dream to sort of, you aspire, and I think the brand has stood for so much more than just beauty and glamour. I think over the years, and of course, strong women and empowerment is a conversation today, but I think L'Oreal has always stood for that for years. And I know for a fact that somewhere deep down inside, it's had a huge influence on me as a young girl growing up, so thank you so much for that. I don't say this very often, but I do consider this a huge achievement in all of the work that I've done. To be able to represent a brand that really stands for so much, that empowers women, and that also has such amazingly strong individual and talented women that also represent the brand, not just in India, but globally. So thank you so much for including me in your family. And I'm very, very proud and very, very excited, not just of the association, but also the work that L'Oreal has done over the years.
Thank you, Deepika.
Thank you. And of course, coming to today's event, we're here to launch the new collection that that's called the Cannes Collection 2017. That's by L'Oreal Paris. And I'd like to reveal the looks and also the cosmetics and the makeup that we've used to actually create these looks. The looks are inspired by Cannes, a place that's bright and sunny and that's always radiating positivity, that's fun, and I think the collection really truly represents that in every way possible, and also just colors that I feel are me, you know. And I was doing a couple of interviews and they said, you tend to always wear like bright lip colors, and I feel like today's collection that we're launching is that I enjoy wearing bright lip colors, reds and oranges, burgundies, and today's collection is all about that. So let's see that.
Hi Deepika, my question is to you. You always have a positive attitude towards life. What motivates you to be what you are?
Wow. What motivates me to be positive? Because there is no other way to be. There is no motivation in that sense. I mean, I think the motivation is to have, like I said earlier, the motivation is to have peace of mind. The motivation is to enjoy my work. The motivation is to do great work. My motivation is to let my parents know that I'm in a good space and that I'm happy. And I feel a lot of it comes from the way they've brought me up. That's just the way we are as a family, and that's how I've seen my father and my mother conduct themselves as well, and I guess that's what it is.
दीपिका, मेरा सवाल आपसे है। दीपिका, इंडिया को आप रिप्रेजेंट करने वाले कितना प्राउड फील करती है, क्योंकि इससे पहले ऐश्वर्या आप रिप्रेजेंट कर चुकी है, प्रियंका रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है, तो आप कितना प्राउड फील करते हैं इस बात को लेकर?
Well, it's amazing. I think it's the same feeling as when you're an athlete and you're you know, if you're in the, you know, if you're in the national team and you're representing your country, it's a similar feeling. And I mean, that sentiment goes without saying. It's not just when I'm representing India globally, but I feel that sentiment even when I'm working in India. I feel I feel silly that I even have to say it, that I'm proud of, you know, of who I am and where I come from, and that goes without saying. And then, of course, I think as far as Cannes specifically is concerned, I think the fact that being a woman, of course, you know, there's the beauty aspect to it, and then being an actor, there's the film aspect to it, where you get to watch some of the best films in the world come together. So it's sort of the best of both worlds, and you know, like I've been saying, there's so much legacy that's attached to the Cannes Film Festival, the kind of people who attend, the you know, the kind of directors who are going to be there. So I think all of that put together, I think it's going to be an amazing experience. And obviously I'm proud of not just representing the brand, but also representing the country.
दीपिका, इसके अलावा प्रियंका ने रिसेंटली आपके लिए स्टैंड लिया है कि जब अमेरिकन मीडिया ने आपको प्रियंका करके पुकारा था, तो प्रियंका ने भी आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा स्टैंड लिया, तो व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से अबाउट इट?
Well, absolutely. I think that, and it's not just about me being offended. Every single one of you in this room should be offended, because it's not just ignorance, but it's also racist. Two people of similar color are not the same people. And so as you as fellow Indians should actually be calling them out and educating them instead of, you know, encouraging it. You should actually be educating them.